Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Short answer questions. Question number 2 of review questions of chapter number 12, part 1. Give 3 examples of unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are alkene and alkyne. All the members of alkene and alkyne are unsaturated hydrocarbons. So some of the examples, we have to give 3 examples. Some of the examples are one is ethene, propene or propyne. These two are the member of alkene family and it is a member of alkyne family. So ethene is, there are 2 carbon and a single bond, double bond. So CH2 double bond CH2 or C2H4, it is ethene. And propene is, there are in propene we have 3 carbon and a single double bond. So one carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 1 double bond. So it is CH3 single bond carbon 213H and H2. It means that C3H34516 C3H6, it is propene. In propyne we have also 3 carbons, one having triple bond and the other CH3 single bond carbon and CH. It is C3H345 4. So these are the 3 examples of unsaturated hydrocarbons. One is ethene, second is propene, and third is propyne. You can write any of the 3. So moving to the second question. In the second question we have draw electron dot and cross structure of ethene. Ethene is C2H4. C2H4 means that we have 2 carbons and a double bond, CH2 double bond CH2. We have to draw the electron dot structure of ethene. So there are 2 carbon atom, 1 carbon and 1 carbon. The electrons of carbon will be represented by dot and the electrons of hydrogen will be represented by cross. So carbon to carbon we have double bond. So I am writing 2 electrons here. This electron will make bond with this carbon electron and this carbon electron will react with this carbon atom. So 2 double bond will form between carbon to carbon. So each carbon having 4 bond, 2 electrons will form double bond with this 2 electrons. So remaining 2 electrons, one this and this, and the remaining 2 electron of this carbon is one is this and this. This electron will form bond with electron of hydrogen. This is electron of hydrogen. This electron will form bond with this electron of hydrogen atom. Similarly, another hydrogen will attach here and another electron will attach here. So these 2 electrons will form bond to each other and this electron will form bond with this electron of hydrogen. So this electron of carbon will form bond with this electron of hydrogen. Similarly here. So this is the electron dot structure of ethene. Moving to the third, draw the structure formula of any alkane, alkene and alkyne containing 5 carbon bonds. So for the alkane 5 carbon member will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have to draw the structural formula. So this carbon having 1 bond with this carbon, so remaining 3 bonds will be utilized by reacting 3 hydrogen atoms. Similarly, this carbon having 2 bonds, so 2 hydrogen will react with this carbon. This carbon having 2 bonds, so 2 hydrogen react with this carbon. This carbon having 2 bonds, so remaining 2 bonds will be formed by 2 hydrogen atom. And this carbon having 1 bond, so remaining 3 bonds will form by 3 hydrogens. So this is the member of alkane, the name of it is propane, pent, 5 carbon pentane. For alkene, 1 2 3 4 5, each carbon having 4 bonds, having the capacity to make 4 bonds, and each carbon must form 4 bonds. It is an alkene member, so there will be one double bond. So this carbon form 2 double bond with this carbon. Similarly, this carbon will form 2 double bond with this carbon and 1 bond with this carbon. So this carbon form 1 bond with this carbon, so it has to make 4 bonds, 1 make with this carbon, so remaining 3 hydrogen will attach. This carbon form 2 bonds, so remaining 2 bonds will be formed by 2 different hydrogen atoms. This carbon form 2 bonds, so remaining 2 bonds will be formed by 2 different hydrogen atoms. Similarly, this carbon form 3 bonds, 1 2 3, so remaining 1 bond will form by 1 hydrogen. This carbon form 2 bonds, so remaining 2 bond will be formed by 2 hydrogen atoms. So it is a member of alkene family, and there are 5 carbons, so it is pentene. And the member of alkyne will be 1 2 3 4 5, and there will be 3 bond between carbon to carbon, and remaining bond will be single. So 3 hydrogen will attach here. This carbon having 2 bonds, so 2 hydrogen will attach here. This carbon having 2 bonds, so 2 different hydrogen atom will attach with this carbon. This carbon having 3 or 1 4 bonds, so no hydrogen needed. This carbon having 3 bonds, so 1 hydrogen is needed. So it is pentine. So this is the question number 4. Moving to the question number we have done question number 3. Moving to question number 4. How can you differentiate ethane from ethine? So in ethane we have carbon to carbon single bond, but in ethine we have carbon to carbon double bond. Ethane is saturated hydrocarbon and ethene is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Third difference will be one carbon atom possible for ethane, which is methane, but one carbon atom molecule not possible for ethene. Fourth example, ethane C2H6 and ethene C2H4. So these are the 4 difference between ethane and ethene. Last question, what do you mean by dehydration reaction? Give one example. Dehydration reaction means removal of water molecule. dehydration reaction is used in the preparation of ethene when ethyl alcohol, means that CH3 CH2OH. This is ethyl alcohol. When ethyl alcohol is reacted in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 at 170 degrees centigrade, the dehydration reaction will perform, and the removal of water molecule for the removal of water molecule, OH will remove from this carbon and hydrogen will remove from this carbon. So OH and H will make H2O. So it is the removal of the hydrogen water molecule, and there will be CH2, and there will be also CH2, and it will form double bond between it. So it is ethene. So by the dehydration of ethyl alcohol we can prepare ethene. So these are the 5 short questions of question number 2. Inshallah, in the next video we will start the question number 3 of this review exercise of chapter number 12. Assalamu alaikum.